DSD, you name it, it can do it all. Also, this is a 7.1.2 system, so there's no speakers behind you. Everything you'll be hearing will be coming from the bar and the sub together. Now, the sub also comes with the bar. And again, 800 watts of power. Every single speaker has its own dedicated amplifier. This also acts as a receiver because I have 3 HDMIs in the back that supports 4K and HDR pass-through. For instance, my new player is connected to the bar through ARC to the TV.
Right now, you're listening to where cinematic audio has been. Because we are so used to hearing sound this way, we don't notice that it is merely a fraction of what its potential could be. But what if sound could be extraordinary? Again.
Engines are up and burning.
Opening main doors for secondary deployment.
Okay, we're away.
What if sound could be captivating, subtle, authentic? What if sound could be deeper, more dimensional? There's no need to wonder, because you're listening to Dolby Atmos. With Dolby Atmos, audio can precisely move in any direction within this theater. Whether the sound sweeps from the back to all the way in front, arcs overhead, or moves anywhere in between. Today, you will feel every dimension. How does that sound?
So the HT-5000 comes out later on this year. It also supports Google Cast for all of you Google Home fans. This works perfectly with it. It also supports multi-room as well as Wi-Fi connectivity. It comes out later this year. Price is yet to be announced.